We are committed to raising awareness and contributing to the preservation of our planet.
Over 100 billion disposable masks are used every month around the world, and they pollute our environment. That's why we use reusable masks.
We use online notebooks like Microsoft OneNote instead of paper notebooks.
We're going paperless as we're using more technology in school.
While at school, I spend more time outside rather than inside using technology.
I use a reusable bottle in order not to waste plastic.
I use rechargeable batteries in order not to waste energy.
We plant and grow plants. $1.2 billion tons of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere every year by the fast fashion industry. We wear uniforms, thus contributing less to this global challenge.
We turn off the lights every time they are not needed.
When I wash my hands, I use less water.
I will reduce, reuse, and recycle.
I use tote bags in order not to use plastic bags.
We use reusable lunch containers instead of plastic ones.
Most students come to school by school bus, not by individual cars.
This week, the students made composting jars with the food scraps we have from our Cooking Science Club. We've used the food scraps to repurpose them so they don't end up in the garbage, and in the end, we'll use the compost to fertilize the school garden.
Instead of protecting the environment, we need to take care of it. We must create the world when the environment doesn't need protection.
The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. And actually, even the smallest changes count. So let's start and save the Earth today.
Our mission as teachers is to educate students at an early age on ways how to become proactive and make a positive change in the environment and climate through different activities and different ways. One of them could be recycling, reusing, and even making beautiful art out of recycled materials such as this.
We are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation to do something about it. Start now.
I'll take care of animals.
I will save the electricity.
I will clean my neighborhood.
I will plant a tree.
I will not throw trash in the ocean.
I will recycle plastic.
I will plant flowers.
I will reuse and reduce.
I will throw my trash away.
I will recycle paper.
I'll take care of plants.
I will love the earth.
I'll pick up litter.
I will clean the ocean.
I will help clean my school.
I will save water.
We should be nice to the earth like the earth is nice to us.
Let's save the Earth together.
You can make a positive change in the world around you every single day.
It is our responsibility to leave this planet in a better shape for our future generations if we want to have a healthier society.